Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila, and on this channel, if you didn't know, I share all my experience with you, everything that I've learned over the years. I share with you, I upload videos on how I do things, on how I know these things are done, and from knotting, knitting, crocheting, drawing, just lots of crafting that I do, I share with you. So this is for today a headband, which is fantastic. I've knitted a little bit of it, and it's very easy to do. Even if you're a beginner, you can start doing this tutorial. So the needles are number 4, 20 loops on my needle. First loop we stitch it with a front stitch, then what we need to do is count 1, 2. So after 2 loops, 2 stitches, we grab the yarn from behind, and then we grab these 2 loops, and through them we pull another loop, like so. So from 2 loops we make 2 loops. So 1, 2, we grab the yarn, and through these 2 loops we pass another loop, front stitch loop, like so. So 1, 2, and then we need this 2. And we knit it until the end of this row. For last loop we knit with front stitch. Now let's do the second row. First loop we knit with a front stitch, and the last loop with a front stitch. Now everything you see on the second row, you need a purl stitch. Each one of them is a purl stitch. Purl stitch, purl stitch. Suitable for beginners. Purl stitch, purl stitch. And you repeat these 2 rows and you'll be able to make such a headband. Fantastic headband. Good luck. Now I have knitted the right amount that I need for the head I was knitting for. In this case I'm knitting for my mom this headband, and she likes it. She said she would take it for herself. And this is how I close my loops. So I take the the right needle and put through the two center of two loops, and then we grab the yarn through these two loops and we create another loop like so, and then with this loop we place it onto the second needle, and then we grab this loop with the next one and make another loop out of these two. Then we do it again. So for the needle of two loops we make another loop, and we get some sort of braiding, as you can see, some sort of braiding in here, a little bit like a plaiting. And so on. Now I have finished this braid, and we've got the last loop to close it. But before we do that, we have to measure how much yarn we prepare for stitching this side. So we measure about 3 times the length, and then we take a larger needle like so, and we take the needle and through this loop we close this loop just like so and tighten. Now we need to stitch it together, to bond it together. You can do this stitching with a needle, you can do with a hook, crochet hook. You can do this stitching however you like it, however it's comfortable for you. I'm doing it with this needle. We nearly finished this headband. I would like to show you now how I hide the yarn at the back after, so that we actually finish this piece, and we take with a needle, in this case is a plastic neon needle, my favorite needle so far, and we move through the braiding. It's like a braid here, yeah, is applied, so you kind of move nicely through these loops. We make a knot to make sure it does not unravel with wear and care. And I can hide it with the braiding like so. Now we cut it off. And it's time for us to discuss about this headband, and also to see how it looks on the mannequin too. Hello everyone, again and again, and here's our beautiful headband. As you can see, it's stretchy, it's simple to knit, it's beautiful, good for beginners, beginner friendly. And this is at the back, the stitch at the back, as you can see here, which we've done with this needle, neon green needle, hidden over odds and ends. The yarn itself is multicolored, so it gives this pattern some sort of nice look to it, like a bit more, possibly more astonishing look, like more elegant, maybe elegance to it. Not just a headband, but a touch multicolor makes your garments, your accessories look even more chic. And as you can see, it's got white, it's got pink, darker pink color shades, and it looks fantastic. I love it. I hope you love it enough to make a headband like this one, or even better than this one. I hope it turns out for you to be as a simple pattern, a simple couple of works made for you to do in a couple of hours. It will not take you longer than a couple of hours, I can guarantee you that. And as you can see, it's fantastic, it's stretchy, it's acrylic yarn, and let's see how it looks on my mannequin. It's also very tactile. Let's see my mannequin. It actually looks quite nice, to be honest. I'll just correct it slightly. This is my mannequin. Look how lovely it looks, and how it hugs the hair, hugs the forehead nicely. It keeps your hair into place. It keeps you warm, and the ears are covered. This is the stitch at the back, which is barely noticeable. So it's very beautiful. I love it. I hope you love it enough to make one like this for yourself. And please write to me in the comments what did you like about this pattern in particular, what colors did you choose for you to knit such pattern, and please don't forget to subscribe and put likes and watch my next videos where I do all sorts of other things apart from knitting, so you can enjoy and see whatever array of subjects I make videos about. So thank you very much for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye.